Don't put off your vehicle repairs any longer. At Jim Glover Chevrolet, scan the QR code now for a 20% discount on repairs. We also have 0% financing for 90 days available on repairs and accessories. If it's service work you need, but you don't have time in your busy schedule, no worries. Schedule our service valet, we'll pick up your vehicle, work on it, and return it back to you. Save with our happy hour oil change for just $49.95 weekdays from 1 to 5 p.m. Plus, every service visit comes with a free alignment check. Jim Glover Chevrolet.